Saving $10,000 on a $30,000 annual salary before taxes can be challenging, but it is possible with careful budgeting and financial planning. Here are a few steps you can take to achieve your goal. Create a budget. The first step to saving money is to understand where your money is going. Make a list of all your income and expenses, including fixed expenses, such as rent and utilities, and variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. This will help you see where you can cut back on your spending. Cut unnecessary expenses. Look for areas where you can cut back on your spending. Are you paying for subscriptions or memberships that you don't use? Can you switch to a cheaper cell phone or internet plan? Every little bit adds up, so be sure to look for opportunities to save wherever you can. Increase your income. Another way to save more money is to increase your income. Consider taking on additional work or starting a side hustle to bring in extra cash. You could also negotiate for a raise at your current job or consider switching to a higher paying position. Save automatically. One of the easiest ways to save money is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account. This way, you can save without even thinking about it. Get a financial planner. If you're having trouble sticking to a budget or aren't sure where to start, consider working with a financial planner. They can help you create a plan to reach your savings goals and provide guidance on investing and managing your money. Remember, it's important to be patient and consistent with your savings efforts. It may take some time to reach your goal, but with a plan in place and a commitment to saving, you can reach your target of saving $10,000 on a $30,000 annual salary before taxes.